Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Any questions on our previous session?
We can go through the previous lecture, it will be good, sir.
Okay, in our last session we covered, we did some different settings, right? I believe we created GLs, we created, I believe, chart of account, we created accounts group, and we have created some GLs. So chart of account in SAP contains list of your general ledgers. General ledgers we create using a number range or a sequence of ranges which is called accounts group in SAP. When you create a GL, the system will take one number from your defined number in OBD4 settings. Accounts group, you group your GLs, right? Expense GLs, income GLs, assets GLs, liabilities GLs. So GL actually contains or store or using GL we post transactions in SAP system. When someone said, okay, I have purchased something and then I have to enter that purchase in SAP system as an expense. So where you will post, you will post in SAP FICO module using general ledger, right? In using those general ledgers, we will post transactions, right? So we have created some GLs, which is general ledger. So how many expense types you have in your business, right? Depends. How many types of incomes you are getting through your business, you will create those many GLs in SAP system. How to create? We have developed, configured relevant settings in order to create GLs in SAP system. For that we need a chart of account, right? We need accounts group, we need all those, I mean the basic structure, company, right? Company code, we need the accounts groups, we need the field status groups. All those settings we did in our previous sessions. After that we'll create the chart of account, then we created accounts group, we created some GLs. We have created some GLs, and how you check how many GLs you have created in your system? There is a T code in SAP system F.10.
So only tells about you, tells you about here.
G, yeah, the list of GL under your chart of account. Our chart of account is 2222. Just execute. This is a report. It will list. It will show your list of your GLs in your company, and you can also. This is just a report, and you can also see SE16N. And as I explained, everything is stored using SAP in tables, right? So there are different tables. So SKA1 is a table for GL master record. Enter your chart of account and execute. It will display your GL master record at chart of account level, right? And there is another. You see, we created these GL, right? GL account, this one, right? And this is balance sheet account, right? What is the created, when created, what account group, who created, all those things, right? What was the short text, what was all those things you can see, browse in your database tables. SE16N, and then you can go at the company code level as well to check how many GLs you have created, the data that you have maintained at a company code level, right? GL is created at 2 levels. So this is something we have updated. G0 is given as status, field status, and then date, GL number, company code, all those things. So that's what we covered in our last session. And then we have posted one transaction, F-02. And after posting of that transaction, also we also covered how to block a GL, how to delete a GL, how to change the GL, right? How to display the GL, all those things we have covered in our last session. This is same as I explained. Now how to change, how to block, you know, and if you change anything, you want to track who changed what, right? And I showed you, give an example of changing description or any field. Then how to delete, and then we have posted a transaction. Up to here we were done, right? And I showed how to post a document, and then after posting a document, how to display the document, FP03, right? And I showed. Then you can check the balances, right? When you post any transaction in SAP system, every day there are a lot of transactions are posted, right? In any company, given company code, right? Millions of transactions. So how you check the balances, right? If you have a lot of buildings and you're paying rent, right? We have a lot of employees, how you can track, right? So there is the T code. FS10N is the T code to check the balance of your GL. So your GL is 400 100. What is 400 100? Expense GL, right? And your company code is 2222. Execute. So there is no balance in 400 100. So we have posted a transaction rent, right? So we have to check what is our rent GL. So our rent GL is, we paid yes, rent, right? 400 300. Now it will show the balance. 10,000 we paid in June. This is period. Debit expense. Balance is 10,000. Total is also 10,000. Cumulative balance is also 10,000. This is how you check balances. Then there is a report. You can also check FBL. 3N is a report for your GL balances. You can enter the GL if you know the GL. If you don't know the GL, you can execute wide open, but better you look for your GL. Rent, open item, all items. Now you see, execute, it will show the balance. Assign, this is business area 2222, document type 1, document number 1, document date, the document was posted, debit entry 10,000. That's how you check the report, right? Now if you have posted a document and you want to change a document, right? So you go to FB02. This is the document we posted, right? We paid rent, right? We want to change it. You cannot change anything other than the just the assignment and text. You can change, other amount you cannot change, cannot be under fraud, right? If you want to change, you have to post another entry, right? If the rent was 9,000 and you post 10,000, you post another entry, right? Or either you reverse this, you can reverse also. So this is how you change the posted document. Now we have posted a document. Now we want to see at the table level the balance, right? So SE16, and you can also go, and then there are two tables, BSEG and BKPF. BSEG is the line item, BKPF is the header level table for the posted document, not for the GL, right? 2222, execute. Now it will show that document we posted 10,000, right? We paid rent, right? Look, debit entry, credit entry, 10,000 10,000. Currency was INR. This is how you see posted document. Here, this is document. If you double click, it will take you to that detail, right? Business A, line item, sir. Then you have to see all those things, right? This is the technical field, right? All those values, everything you can see, right? Now this is a line item. Now we want to see the header level. I'll show you what is header level and what is line item level. I will explain. Now this is header level, right? Who posted, what transaction code, right? what date, what time, posting date, document type, everything. Now I show you what is mean by header and line item. Every document in SAP system, they have two levels. Number one on the top, you see here, this is data interview, which is header level, right? Header mean what? Head, right? What is the document number, company code it is posted in, posting date, who posted, what currency. Line item means what document contains expense, income, right? These are the line items. In accounting, every document has two lines, right? In order to balance, every document in SAP should be balanced. Whatever is coming in, whatever is going out, plus and minus, net impact is 0. So this is line item. That up top level is header level, then both header and line item level have different tables. This data is saved in BSEG. Top header level data is saved in BKPF. I just showed you. Now we'll go and continue to our next parking of a document. What is this? The document we posted, that was final posting, right? We paid rent, right? Done. Now let's say
पहले तो नहीं किया ना ये पार्किंग वाला उसमें प्रीवियस सेक्शन
सर आपका सैंपल डॉक्यूमेंट तक कवर हो चुका है, पार्किंग आपने कर लिया है, you covered, right? Now
सॉरी
sample, right? I showed you other day, right?
Yeah.
Now what is parking of document? Okay, let's say you go to bank, right? Or you in your company, but any example, right? You need an authorization, right? You need approval from your senior. You cannot directly post a document, right? You have some questions, right? You receive the invoice, you are not sure that we receive the goods or not, right? Many invoices, many goods, right? I mean, you have to make sure that you are going to pay or post a transaction which is legit and valid. And let's say your payment, right? Payment, you are paying. So up to a certain amount you are authorized, right, to pay. In that case, sometime you need for authorization purposes, for approval purposes, you only park the document, and then you have approval from your senior, and you have any questions on that document, then you can, from park you can post. So parking is something that you are not going to finally post a document in SAP system. If you post a document in SAP system, the balances will update, right? When you park a document, balance will not update. Final posting will be done when you post a transaction. So parking is something to, like, for temporary purpose you wanna hold something or park for approval purpose. So purpose is senior person approval is required. GL update will happen? No GL will update. GL will update means FS10N, right? I showed you. FS10N is a GL balances, right? Execute it and you will see the 10,000 balance, right? If you park this document was posted document, it was not a parking document, right? If you park a document, let's say I park a document for 15,000, this balance will not update. Once I post a document from parking, then the balance will go from 10,000 to 25,000 because I posted 15,000. I'll show you. So when you park a document, balance will not update. Number ranges, document type SA, right? We have document type SA. With document type SA OBA7, we have number range assigned, right? OBA7. From where this document number 1 was posted? From document type SA. Go to position, go to SA, GL, go to detail. You see number 1 ID I showed you before, right? Number range. Go to your company and then you see this is the range, right? Now 1 to 999. So we have posted one, current number 1, right? Now from where, when we park a document, where the number will come? From document type. Document type means SA, same. You can delete. Can you delete a park document? Yes, you can delete a park document, but when you post a document, you cannot delete. Can you change the document, park document? Yes, you can change the park document. Can you create a single line item for park document? Yes, exactly you can, but final posting cannot have one line item. Who is creating a park document? Junior person. Who is posting park document? Senior. From parking to final posting, right? After posting. When you post a document, park document will not exist in SAP system. Understood? Now we'll go to park document F-65 end user task. This is not a developer task. Give today's date. How you post a document, you already know. We have to fill in the header level what document date is, right? Document date is a date on invoice on the paper, right? Posting date.
That 010 जो अभी आप गए अगर किसी को ये code, if someone doesn't know this T code, so he can follow the path, right?
Always, yes. Now we post let's say we are going to, let's say, payment, right? Let's say we are going to pay. So we are paying wages, right? So we'll debit wages. Let's say we are posting 15,000. Business area is required field according to field status we have defined. Now 50, right? Bank. You can directly enter the GL number if you remember, otherwise go and find out bank, right? Then you can enter the text if you want. Wages paid, enter. Now enter then 15,000. Tax, wages paid. For banks we have to give the value date. Value date is a check encashment date, and then you can go overview, or you can go park the document, right? You want to simulate what will be the document looks like this, right? Then you can save it. System will park the document. Now system has given document number 2, right? As I explained right here, number ranges from document type. So our document type is SA, and with SA we have linked ID1, which has a range of 1 to 999. We have posted one document and another document is parked. Now this will not update the GL balance, right? GL balance we have already 10,000, right? Oh, we have what balance? We posted, you see that we did not pay the rent, right? We have paid the salaries, right? Salaries. Go to salaries. Sorry, wages, not salaries. My bad. Wages. Now you see there will be a zero balance, no data, because park document will not update the GL balance, right? Now you want to change a park document, you can go FBV3 is the T code, right? Document will automatically come the recent. This is a document, right? You want to change it, you can change it. Sorry, not this is a display. You have to go to change, right? FBV2, or you can go from here also, you can go FBV3, right? V2, sorry, number will come automatically. Now you can change it, right? You can change anything. Business area, you want to update business area, save it. You want to change the amount, you can change the amount, right? 15,000, you want to make it 20,000, do it 20,000, right? Now the balance is, you see, it's not balanced, but system is posting the parking, right? Doesn't matter. We can update the change the document is changed. Now it was 15,000, now it's 20,000. That's how you change the park document. GL balance will not update. I showed you how to change. This is done. Now you want to post a document. How you post it? There is a T code FBV0, right? This is posting. Enter. Now when you save, it will post this document. GL balance will then update. Right? You can go from here also, post, or you can save it, or you can also delete a park document. It's up to you. We'll save it. Document was posted. Double click, it will show you the final document. Right. Now go back. How you display a document? You can go FP03. Right. This document is posted. 20,000. GL balance will update also. FS10N. How you check the balance? FS10N. Give your GL number. Execute. You will see 20,000. This is a different GL. Wages, right? If you post to rent, would have 30,000, right? No, posting हो रही है. GL बन चुके हैं हमारे. GLs have already done, right? मतलब posting. We're posting transactions. And I'm showing you how to post park document, right? And from park to final posting, right? Right. This is done. I showed you how to delete it, right? You can go in menu path and delete it. Next topic is hold document. What is hold document? So we covered two different posting, right? One, final posting. Second is parking of a document. Third is now hold a document. So this is used for adjustment entries, right? Hold documents are can be for anything, right? Debit and credit or credit only. When we hold the document, it will ask for a temporary document number. Number ranges will not be assigned from your document type, right? In case of parking of a document, system will pick one number from document type number range, right? But in case of hold document, you have to manually give a number, right? We have an option to delete the whole document as well. Similarly, parking of document will not update any balances. Similar, whole documents will not update any GL until it is posted as a final posting. Right now, this is just parking. In parking, what is the purpose of holding a document? For the adjustment. And adjustment entries, any mistake, any omission, right? No. This is done, right? Yeah. Now hold. Go to hold now. Don't look at. This is the same we covered already, right? We have covered parking, Bangesh. I just added so you can see the difference. Oh, difference between parking and hold. Yes. Purpose for the parking of document is when a senior person approval is required. Purpose of holding a document is this is used for adjustment entries. Will the GL balance will update when you park the document? No. Will GL will update when you hold the document? No. So you don't have to go for parking, right? Go hold. We are covering hold, right? Number ranges, you have to give your own number range. Can you delete a whole document? Yes. Can you change a whole document? Yes. Can you create single line item? Yes. Who can create? Any user can create. Who can post? And same user can post. After posting, document does not exist. So when you park the document and when you post the park document will go away, right? Similarly, whole document will also go away. So you know how to post a single park document, right? You know that f-65, right? Let's say I want to post a single line item. I want to show you 200 100, right? uh, let's say I'm paying rent, right? Go to rent, press enter and enter 20,000 and save it. You can post a single line item too, and you want to delete it, you can delete it, change it, and you can, how you delete, what is the T code to delete? You what is the T code to delete a park document?
Delete.
Yeah, there was a T code to delete, right?
अभी आप गए नहीं थे मेरे ख्याल में.
Yeah, it is grayed out, right? FBV2, right? Change, right? We are in FBV2, right? Yeah. So see any option? Delete. Go to FBV2. This is a document. Sometime it's not giving an option, right? Okay, now you know what? Just put this amount as 0 and save it.
I'm listening.
Save it. What it says, at least one line item of the sending company code must exist.
कंपनी का वेस्ट कर रही है.
Now it's saying you're deleting oh, you cannot delete a single line item, right? Okay, let me, you know what it says? I explain to you why. Let's say you're posting at 20,000, right? Now you go and post another line item, right? 20,000 and save it, right? Now it's 3 line items, right? Now document changed, right? Now go. Now how you delete, if you want to delete any line item, you double click and change the amount to 0. You see, it says amount to 0, line item will be deleted. Posted, right? Now you see 0 0 line item. Got it? Yeah. Now that's how you delete. Now sample document. Oh, sorry, whole document. Now we'll go to hold the document f-02. F-02, enter any date. Let's say I'm posting 15,000. Go to 15,000 business area 2222. Give any text. This is what wages. What is that rent, right? Expense. Okay, go and now who for hold a document, you need to go to
15,000 जो आपने अमाउंट डाली है ये इमेज में ये क्या है क्या वजह कि हम 15 डाल रहे हैं
any amount you can put enter. We're just practicing, right?
ये जान
Yeah, hold, right? Now, when in holding a document, as number is not assigned via SA document number range, right? You have to give one number, right? Let's say I'm any number you can 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Hold it. Document was held. Then how you go and like you hold a document and you tell your senior that I have hold a document, can you review it and make sure everything is good. Then you go F-02, you can go from here, you see held document, go to held document and a system will ask you what is the number. So you will 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, right? Who posted it will open that document and then he will come and make some entries. Oh no, it's not 15,000, it should be, let's say he said okay it's 18,000, right, and he will change it both line items and you can post. Document was posted. Now you can see that document as a posted document, right? FB03, it will not be any more hold. FB03, number 4 is coming automatic, 18,000 document will be posted. You can also check the balance again, FS10N. FS10N. You see, what was our GL? Our GL was, we posted bank, right? Check the balance of bank. You see 48,000 total, right, in June. Double click and it will show you breakdown. We posted 110,000, 120,000 and last final 18,000 we just posted, right? Expense, everything you can see in GL line item report as well as FS10N. Now next topic is sample document. Now up to here I believe we covered sample or we didn't.
I don't remember sir.
Okay, now from onward now we just revise everything and now you both guys will be on the single class. Yeah, you were, it was revision for you, right?
Yeah, it was revision for me.
Yeah. Now we go to sample. What is sample document? Sample document is a sample, right? Using that sample you can post every month using that sample, a die kind of, right? You post one document every month, you come and then change just the figures and post it, right? You don't have to retype everything over again every month, right? If you are doing anything that every month end, let's say some certain transactions you have to post at the month end, like you have to pay rent, you have to pay salaries, you have to pay stationery expense, you have to pay cleaning guys, you have to pay anything that every month, repetitive expenses, you can create a sample document and then using those sample document you can post your original final postings. Now let's say this is also used for month end provisions, right? Provision is nothing but setting aside a money, certain amount of money to meet the future expenses. Sample document, it's a template, right? Will not update any ledger, right? But when you post any transaction, right, definitely it will update the balance. What are the advantages of the sample document? Sample document saves time. when we create sample document template, we will not forget any provisions, right? Any provision in the template is paid in the same month if no provision is required for that account. So when we copy the template of the month for that account, enter amount 0. For example, you have 10 every month you are posting 10 transactions. So in one particular month you have only 9 postings, right? You don't have to post any 10th item, so you can put 0. System will not update, right? Now this is what is difference, and then what is sample? What is the purpose? Month end provisions. We use sample document. Will update the GL balance? No. Number ranges will come from X to delete. Can we delete a sample document? Yes. Can we change the sample document? Yes. Can we create single line item for the sample? Yes. Who can create? Any user can create sample document. Who can post? Any user can post. After posting, is that sample document exist? Yes, still exists, but parking document will not exist, whole document will not exist. Sample is sample, right? You have to use next month too, right? So first of all we have to create the number ranges for separate number ranges for sample document.
ये sample document की just यहाँ definition explain किया गया है, यहाँ से किया नहीं है इसका.
Yeah, but yeah, I'm going through, right? We have to, this is what I'm doing, right? We have to create the number ranges, right?
नहीं,
For parking document number range is not required because it is taking.
अच्छा आप बताएं सर.
Go ahead please.
मैं सर ये कह रहा था जैसे पहले हम करते थे एक चीज़ को डिफाइन करते हैं, सैम्पल डॉक्यूमेंट को पहले डिफाइन फिर असाइन करें, वो सिस्टम है कि नहीं यहाँ क्रिएशन ऑफ नंबर ऑफ रेंजेस फॉर द सैम्पल.
Because in parking a document, not no number ranges are assigned, no number ranges are required, because system is taking the same number range that you already defined. In case of holding a document, same number we have to use our own number, right? 1 2 3 4, any number. But in case of sample document, you have to define a number range, a separate number range, right? That is x2. So fbn1, right? Go to double two, go to change interval, go to enter interval, go x2. This is id provided by SAP system. Go to 1002 999, save it. Number ranges are not transportable, you have to maintain in each and every server and client. Number ranges are created. Now what number will come? 1000, right? First sample document will be 1000.